Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. Your parents sitting silently in prayer, whispering your name, asking for your success. Imagine the quiet sacrifices they made, the sleepless nights when you were a child, the extra shifts, the countless times they chose your dreams over their comfort. Imagine your teachers pouring their energy into you, shaping your path, believing in you even when you doubted yourself. And now imagine yourself, the younger version of you, the child who once held a stethoscope toy and said with bright eyes, "One day I will be a doctor." That child, those parents, those teachers, they are all standing behind you, waiting for the moment you turn this dream into reality. And that reality begins with MDCAT. This is not just an exam. This is a promise you made to your family, to your mentors, and most importantly to yourself. Every page you read, every formula you memorize, every practice test you take, it is not wasted. It is an offering of love, respect, and determination. It is proof that you are willing to struggle, to sweat, to sacrifice comfort, because you know that greatness is never handed freely. It is earned with relentless effort. Yes, the path is hard, but think about this: diamonds are created under immense pressure. Rivers carve their way through mountains by persistence, and stars shine only after surviving fire. Why should your journey be any different? Struggle is not your enemy, struggle is your teacher. Every late night, every difficult chapter, every doubt you conquer, it is preparing you not just for MDCAT, but for life as a healer, a leader, a protector of lives. When you feel the weight of books, remember that those pages are bridges to your dream. When your head feels heavy, remind yourself that this tiredness is a badge of honor, proof that you're working harder than most will ever dare. When you feel like the road is long, remember you are not walking alone. You carry with you the prayers of your parents, the pride of your teachers, the faith of your family, and the fire of your own heart. Step outside your comfort zone, because comfort never creates legends. Do not just study to pass, study to conquer. Do not just memorize, understand, connect, breathe the knowledge into your soul. Push yourself not because someone else told you to, but because your dream deserves the best version of you. Wake up each morning not with fear, but with gratitude that you have a chance, an opportunity to chase something so powerful. Millions wish for it, but only a few are chosen to walk this path, and you are one of them. Imagine the day you walk out of the exam hall, your head held high, knowing you gave it everything. Imagine your parents' eyes when they hear the news of your success, the joy that words cannot capture, the tears of pride that will fall on their cheeks. Imagine the moment you put on that white coat, not just as fabric, but as a crown of honor, a symbol of sacrifice, of courage, of relentless struggle. That moment will be worth every single ounce of energy you pour today. So push harder, struggle more. Embrace the pain because it is shaping you. Celebrate the ride, because these days will become the stories you tell in the future, the stories of how you fought, how you endured, how you carved your destiny. Do not fear the journey, love it, because the journey itself is creating in you the strength, the patience, the wisdom that every doctor needs. This is your time. This is your stage. The world is waiting for your success. Your family is waiting for your victory. Your teachers are waiting for your glory. And above all, your own heart is waiting for the day it finally says, "I made it." MDCAT is not the end of the road. It is the beginning of the life you dreamed of. So stand tall, breathe deep, and give it everything you have. Because one day, very soon, you will look back at this struggle and smile, knowing it was all worth it.